Hey guys, if you're looking for a chicken recipe, I have one to share. Baked creamy Tuscan chicken orzo. And it's so easy to make. So these are some of the ingredients I'll be using. Orzo, cooked chicken breast, or you can use chicken thigh, salt, pepper, sun-dried tomatoes, spinach, chicken broth, heavy cream. You can also use half and half. So I'll be using half a cup of heavy cream. You can use half and half also. I can't find my spatula. Let me see. I have to get it. My spatula. This way I can mix it. It's up to you. You don't have to mix it right now, but I like mixing it. So that's why I'm mixing the heavy cream and chicken broth together. Now, sun-dried tomato. You can also use the oil from the sun-dried tomato. So I'm using some of the sun-dried tomato and I'm just going to cut it with my scissors. Orzo pasta is perfect for this recipe. Little rice like pasta pieces. It goes very well with this Tuscan chicken recipe. And I think it's just the right blend of chicken, orzo, and spinach. Now I'm adding salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning. If you want, some people like adding paprika. That's your choice. If you want to add paprika, some garlic powder. And I'm going to add cooked chicken. I had a leftover chicken from last night, so I'm just adding cooked chicken. I'm almost done. Now I'm going to add spinach and then cut it in small pieces. Now it's ready to go in the oven. Bake 425 degrees for 40 minutes. And there it's all done. Just add your Parmesan, give a gentle mix, and enjoy your dinner or lunch. I hope you'll give a try this recipe. Thanks, guys, for watching.